Hey, what's up guys, Hasan here. In this video I'm going to check out the Xtrons TMA105S Android 11 head unit. I want to thank Xtrons for sending me out the double-DIN Android 11 head unit. Of course, I will tell you my independent personal experience about it and what I like and what I don't like. Let's start. First of all, I'm preparing the wire harness. I'm crimping the cables and installing connectors on them. Later, it's easier to connect the wires while installing the radio. I purchased a specific prepared ISO to Mazda cable adapter, so I don't need to prepare the wire diagrams on my own. I only need to plug the Mazda 5's OEM plug into the ISO DIN adapter, which I plugged into the Xtrons radio adapter. Furthermore, I installed the head unit body to the double DIN radio panel, which I purchased separately. I used the screws out of the box to install the radio head unit to the radio panel of my car. The Xtrons TMA105S comes with a gigantic 10.1-inch touchscreen display with an Octa-Core 64-bit CPU. It also features 4GB DDR4 RAM and 64GB internal storage, which is extendable with a microSD card. Furthermore, it has a built-in 4G, which means that you don't need to buy a separate 4G dongle. You just need to put in a 4G capable SIM card into it and start browsing on the internet. The system OS is Android 11, which has a pre-installed Google Play App Store, where you can download Android apps like Here We Go navigation app. You can also install a reverse camera. If you take into the reverse gear, it will automatically switch to the reverse camera. I am going to install a 170-degree car-specific reverse camera which supports both AHD and CVBS. Surprisingly, we get here a DVD player, which can play CD and DVD. Many Android head units out there doesn't have a DVD player nowadays. It also has a Bluetooth 5.0 module, which allows you to stream your music on your phone on this Android head unit using the Bluetooth connection. You can also easily answer to calls or dial somebody by synchronizing your phone book. Not to forget to mention that it also supports a built-in DSP, which enhances the audio quality. Also, we get here a DAB+ support. You can install a DAB+ antenna to listen to the digital radio, which has a remarkable better audio quality. Last but not least, it supports TPMS, OBD and DVR. You also have the possibility to listen to music or watch movies using a USB storage. First things first, the Xtrons TMA105S has a giant 10.1-inch display with 1024 to 600 WVGA resolution. Xtrons decided for a TFT capacitive touchscreen panel. The touchscreen just works fine. I didn't experience any issues with it. The screen brightness is good. It automatically dims the screen if I switch the headlights on. The AutoChip's 825X Pro SoC has 8x Cortex A53 chips. The head unit runs very smooth thanks to the Octa-Core SoC and DDR4 4GB RAM. It opens apps like the free navigation app Here We Go very fast, which enhances the user experience. Also, the animations are smooth and there is no freezing. The head unit boots up in seconds. Of course, the very first boot takes longer. There is a must-have app on all car head units, a navigation app. I'm using Here We Go, which is completely free. It's an offline navigation app which comes with a unique and modern user interface. I recommend you to download your maps data and switch to the offline mode if you won't put a SIM card into it. The next app is already pre-installed. I'm talking about the app CarLink. You can use AndroidAuto wired or just Apple CarPlay, which also works wirelessly. In this case, I'm testing wired AndroidAuto, which works very smooth. My next app recommendation is YouTube Music. If you have YouTube Premium subscription, you can use Wi-Fi to download a few playlists, which you can also listen offline. We all know the situation, we need to wait for a person. In that case, you can just game on the head unit. I installed games like Angry Birds, Subway Surfers or Knife It. I am using Google Calendar for organization, which I also installed on the Xtrons head unit. My events are going to be automatically synchronized. The Xtrons TMA105S is a great Android 11 head unit. The 10.1-inch touchscreen looks really nice. It upgrades your car to another level. The 8-core SoC works very smooth with the DDR4 4GB RAM. We get here 64GB internal storage, which is also expandable. But honestly, it's more than enough for the purpose on the car. What I don't like on this head unit is that you don't get so much RCA video input option. There's one RCA video input for the reverse camera, which works just fine. There is another video input which I use to install a front camera. But if I want to install an Xtrons dashcam on the head unit, I don't have any other RCA video input for it. Also, it would be great if it had an HDMI output, which you can use for instance on top-mounted monitor or on headrest monitor. Overall, it's a great Android 11 head unit with 8 cores and 10.1-inch display, which pushes your car into another level. You can upgrade your vehicle with a reverse camera and front camera, which is a must-have on big vehicles where you cannot guess the distance of your car to another object. I've got here a rear parking assistant which isn't OEM and doesn't work properly, so I had troubles while parking, but now I can easily see the rear and the front, which is a big improvement for me. Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more great videos. Stay healthy and see you next time.